Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we learn how to create awesome, beautiful, and the professional YouTube cover page design. So this the YouTube banner or YouTube page, I'm redesign it. Okay, so let's go. I'm the design this project Adobe Illustrator. So YouTube banner or YouTube cover page design, the four size recommended. The first size is TV size, second the desktop or Macs, and the third the tablet, or fourth the mobile size. Okay, so we the four size the designing and we upload our YouTube channel. So how to look the professional our cover page design. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so this is our YouTube banner. So I upload our YouTube channel and review how to and how much look like and how much the professional this banner. So first I go to our YouTube channel and the banner image. So first I upload on it. This is the banner and I select this banner and that done. Click the done and the publish on the publish it. Then go to our view the channel. So this is our banner. So look like a professional